So we just installed a couple cars and then we're going to finish this ride and we gotta wait for that.
Is this typically how the engine is supposed to sound? It's kind of whiny.
I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean, I know what he talked about. Kind of.
Yeah.
But I mean, for sure, it does not have like any mechanical issues.